să nu fii omul singur pe pământ. Însuși acum, stăpâne, întinde mâna ta din sfântul tău locaș și unește pe regul tău Doru cu roaba ta, Elena, Flori.
Wherever you pray, wherever you lay, I'll be there when you call me. Over rivers and roads, wherever you roam, I'll be there when you call me. When time starts to break and the dawn is awake, I'll be there when you call me. At the end of the day, when the world is away, I'll be there when you call me. So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Close your eyes and listen to the sound. Hope has escaped and the darkness waits, I'll be there when you call me. If your direction home is lost amongst the cold, I'll be there when you call me. So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Change is all around. Close your eyes and listen to the sound. Desires. I will cross the barren desert. I will walk among the fires. I will run to the deepest corner. See you face to face. You are my present and my future. The reason I am saved.